Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Ely and I are here for day 3 of our directed draw. Today I thought we could have some fun and allow for a little more independence in our drawings. So we're going to be doing a geometric shape robot, but I'm hoping that everyone's turns out a little bit different because you're going to get some choices while we draw. I don't know if you guys know this, but Ely is actually a fantastic dancer. So here's a little robot from Ely. All right, let's get to the serious drawing part of this. Grab your pencils and papers and we'll get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with the head of the robot. So on my first example, I kind of did a rectangle. This time I'm going to try my best to stick more to a smaller square head. So when I said that you guys are going to get some creativity today, I want you to come up with your own shape that you're going to do your head. Maybe you do a triangle, maybe you do a circle. But be creative in what you're doing. Yours does not need to look exactly like mine. All right, once you have your head drawn, you can go ahead and figure out what is the neck of your robot going to look like? How's that going to connect to the body? Remember, Mountain Meadow students, this is all geometric shapes. So let's see, we're going to be practicing our shapes from earlier this year. So far I have a square and a triangle. For the body, I'm going to go ahead and do a rectangle. All right, now we're going to just get to decide what next. Remember, you get to be as creative as you want with this. If you want yours to look like mine, that's fantastic. But then I'm going to challenge you to try to do your own after. All right, I'm going to do the legs next. This is one thing I love about this project is that no two look the same and you just get to be as creative as you want. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the arms. Just going to do a bunch of circles. That then lead into my claw hand. One thing I would love for you to do when you're done with your robot today is to come up with a name for it. Give your robot a name, give it a character, maybe even put it in a story. All right, now we need to give this robot some eyes. And a mouth. Maybe a little nose. I feel like my robot over here needs some ears. I forgot to give my other one ears. And then you can decide if yours needs an antenna, maybe even 2 antennas. And then what buttons are going to control your robot? Come up with unique buttons and decide what each control is going to do. All right, once you feel like your robot has all the details that you want, I'm going to challenge you today to color it using one of the color schemes we've learned about. Maybe you do an all warm colored robot. Maybe you're going to do a primary color robot. But just color yours in a unique way and then make sure you get it sent over to me. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Oh, my name for my robot is going to be, I feel like my robot looks like an Alfred. So go ahead and give yours a name. If you want to draw some things around yours, telling its story, that's also a fantastic idea. For Friday, I would love to see some unique creativity from all of you. Thank you for joining us for day 3. I can't wait to see your robots. I went ahead and colored Alfred using all warm colors, so go ahead and try to color your robot using the color scheme of your choice. I can't wait to see them all. Go ahead and either post them on the Facebook page, Dowling Directed Draws, or email them to me, or my students, you can send them to me in Flipgrid. I hope you're all doing well, and I will be back on Monday.